When creating our ROXKIN material, we thought about what we could possibly do to improve luggage in a way we had never done before. To improve people's travel experiences, we needed something new. Something ultra-resistant. Also, we wanted something smart that could memorize its shape and bounce back. It was like a brand new way of thinking around this one idea. Turning lightness into strength and flexibility into resistance. This is how we discovered ROXKIN Material. Solid as a rock, remarkably light. The most technologically advanced material we have ever made, with multiple layers engineered for outstanding performance. To us, it is the key to the future of luggage. Introducing ROXKIN Material, solid as a rock, remarkably light by Samsonite.